Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys smart screen setting guys. How can we use? Friends, you want to use guys your Infinix phone smart screen. So what is smart screen and how to use it? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys your Infinix phone guys phone special function guys. Tap on guys your phone special function setting guys. Tap here. Once you can see guys your phone get this cache setting. Tap here. Once you can see get the smart screen, we will tap here and we will on. So friends, you can see lights up when the device is pick up and light off when the device is lowered. So friends, come back and how can you use? So when suppose guys your screen is off, so friends you want to on guys your screen. When you will take your phone guys, pick up your phone guys, screen will on automatic like that. Off and on, off and on. So like that guys, you can use guys this smart screen setting guys. So I hope friends you like it. So if you like, so guys, please go and subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye guys.